Hi guys, I am in bed right now as you can see, but I was just laying here and not feeling so spiffy, and I saw the time and I thought the mail has come. I should go check the mail, and that's not usually something I do. Usually I don't care and I just wait until my husband gets home and he brings it on his way up because we have a long driveway. And I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna drive down and get it. I feel like something's in the mailbox and it's kind of hot, and so I'm just gonna go down and get it. And guess what? There was. And I have to show you. Look! Isn't that super, super cute? And then let me just cover up her address here because I don't want to do that to her. But look what it says on the other side here. Plant it forward. Isn't that so cute? And so obviously it's a gift from someone, and I am super, super excited to open it and super excited to see what it is, and thought, you know what? I should video it and show you guys because I'm not feeling dreadful right now. So here we go. Alrighty. I am in bed as per usual. I get some pretty funny comments from people who don't watch my channel a lot and just happen upon, you know, one or two videos where I'm in bed opening things, and I get a lot of comments. So you can look at my dirty fingernails. I've been potting today, which I probably say that every day, but almost every day that I feel well enough to make a video, I've been potting or doing something in the dirt, because if I feel well enough to do stuff, I am doing stuff, and so usually dirty stuff. But anywho, but whenever I open plant mail like this in bed, whatever the blanket is that's here, like this blanket was all ready to go into the washing machine, and I literally went out and pulled it out so that I could do this video on this blanket before I washed it. So because people are like, isn't it kind of messy to be doing that in bed? And yes, it is messy to be doing that in bed, but I don't really care, because when I'm not feeling well, it's where I have to be. And I was up a little while earlier, which was super exciting. And how I got my fingernails very dirty. I was actually working outside in a flower bed, just sitting on my little stool, and it was so nice and pretty outside. Now I got my finger stuck in the scissors already here. And I wasn't sure at first. I was like, maybe I ordered something, and then I thought, no, I didn't. So it's so exciting. It's like Christmas. Plant it forward. How cute is that, right? Uh-oh, there's something pretty and a sweet little note. It's like a whole thing, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm totally so excited that I'm out of the viewfinder altogether. It's like a whole little thing in here. Like a little pot. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's a tiny macrame. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta get a back up here. Look at this. Isn't that super cute? Oh my goodness. And it's got a little jelly bean. Let's take the paper off here. Little jelly bean plant. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. I'm in love with the little hanger. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. And we have the kitties going on down here. See Hudson and the kitties? Whoa! They're opening their eyes and just starting to kind of try and crawl around. They're not very agile yet at all, but they're pretty cute. Anyways, oh my goodness, thank you so much, Bridget. This is so cute, and I'm so excited, and I have so many little hooks that I can totally hang this on. It will be so perfect. I was literally last week thinking to myself, I should learn how to do macrame, which is kind of silly that I don't know how, seeing as my grandma did it, and she taught me to crochet when I was 6, and I knit and sew and am insanely crafty, and the fact that I've never done any kind of plant hangers myself is kind of hilarious. But I've been pretty sick the last 5 years or so. So craft projects have kind of suffered since then. But anyways, I am super excited. Purple is my absolute favorite color, just in case anyone wondered. And so there you go. My excitement is just on all different levels. The color, the size, like I love tiny things. It's so cute. And it's got a great sturdy hook here, or O-ring. Thank you so much. It's so exciting. I can't even believe. All right, I will stop ranting on for now because I'm going to be oohing and awing over this for quite a while. And we'll have another peek at the kitties, and we'll end with happy little kitties. So thank you. And I will let you know how it grows and as it progresses. And I will talk to you all soon, and happy growing. All right, obviously I'm not cute kitties yet. I'm back again. I read the letter and realized I need to give you guys the rest of the information. I was thinking, oh, I won't read that until later, but it matters for the video. So the idea of the Plant It Forward is that this is the challenge that she came up with. Her name is Bridget, and she has a YouTube channel called Liquid, I should just read it, that way I'm positive, Liquid Amber Girl Gardening. And her idea is to do a Plant It Forward challenge and send a plant to another YouTuber that is doing a plant channel, and then when they get it, they can send a plant or gardening accoutrement of some variety. You know, it might be gloves, it might be whatever, something planting or plant related, to the next person, and everyone can make a video of it, which I'm so glad I made a video even unboxing, because I didn't read the letter first, like I guess I should have, so then everyone can make a video and watch it, and it can kind of trickle around YouTube to the plant channels as different people send plant goodies to different other plant channel people. And that's a super great idea. I love this idea, and I love sending plants to people randomly. So I am all 100% on board, and I'm excited to watch it spread around and be fun. I think that's the whole gist of it. Yes. And then of course you challenge the next person and the next person and the next person, and it kind of goes from there. So I'm even more excited now that it's a game. So awesome. Thank you, Bridget. And I'm excited to see where all this goes. And I will definitely pick someone and get their address and continue the funness. So, all right, now we're on to kitties. I will talk to you guys soon.
Naughty little baby kitty. Uh-oh. There you go. Right there and dived out.
I know. Where are they going, Mommy? They're trying to escape.